Hello my friends, I am Marietta and I welcome you to Marietta's Art Show. Today I'm going to show you how I made these little pieces. They're small but very cute. They're called Blue Splendor and they're minis of a larger piece that I call Blue Splendor as well. I incorporated artsy blue, which is a brilliant blue, just gorgeous, and blue is one of people's most favorite colors, as is mine as well. And I really enjoy making these little pieces. I still added a ton of glass to these. I just embellished them a lot because it is splendid, right? So it needs to be splendor. So I hope you enjoyed this video and I'll see you after. Welcome back. I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed creating them. I really appreciate you watching my videos, giving me a thumbs up, and subscribing to my channel so that I can spread the love of art to as many people as I can. Thank you so much. Until the next time.